This is a key for Toyota Avensis 2006. Uh, if you need to change the battery, you need a Phillips screwdriver. You have to open this small screw. There's a Phillips screwdriver. You open this small screw and you open this small screw. Don't lose it. It's small. Keep it to the side and you push that key thing. It's got a tab in there, so you have to push it back. Push it back a bit. That is the other part. Probably you have to the button part. You have to push it back. Yes, push it back and then lift it. You can lift it with a screwdriver if it's stuck. You can just lift it, but don't break it. You lift it. You lift that, and then push it back. It's got a small tab here, so don't break that. You have to push it back so it doesn't break. Just don't lift it up straight up. Then there's this part to it. This part to it, you can you'll get that, and this black part you have to open with the you can normally open it with the hand. If not, you just slot in small plain screwdriver in there and just open it. And then this battery CR2016, you just lift it up. Just lift it up. There's this tab, so you have to watch it. You lift it up a little bit and just it comes out, and you just put in the new battery like this. Just put another replacement battery and put that cover back on. That's it. So put that cover back on tightly. Mine's got these buttons broken. All these buttons are broken, but you can get these buttons quite cheaply for around about £4 at the moment. And if the buttons are broken, you just lift them out and you get this one from the eBay. It was £4 and it's a pad, so you just put that pad in, replacement pad in this one, and you put this this unit back on there, like on the key, and then just put that back on, put the cover back on like this. Start from the behind, like slide it and then press it tight, and just put the whisk on, put the screw back on. I seem to have lost the screw. You just basically put the screw back. There's the screw, small screw. Just put it back on with the small Phillips screwdriver. And you get perfect working key. Look, the light's coming on. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.